sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
See, where's the box? Take a picture of this and we'll check out the camera. So let's take a picture of the Team Pixel box. Take a look at the picture. So let's compare this phone real quick to these other devices. Here it is against the XS Max. Quick size comparison. Overall about the same size. And from the side, the screen's against the XS Max with the notch off on the Pixel. Here it is against the Note 9. comparing the screens from the back. Note 9 a little bit taller, and from the side. And of course, last year's Pixel 2 XL. And then let's compare the screens. Now with the notch off,